Hi folks, Mark here from My Mobile Mentor, incorporating Audition Buddy as well as SelfTape success. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you are a casting director, and if I can be so bold, casting directors are synonymously busy people, meaning they don't have enough time during the day, let alone to organize and facilitate workshops and acting classes and self-tape exercises and the like. That's where we come in. We actually encourage you to outsource that training to us. We subcontract our services to the casting directors so we can help the talent to get across the line. I mean, let me put it bluntly to you. Every casting director has a pool of talent that they know is so close to crossing the line and booking the work, right? So what we do is we actually work with the talent to get them commercially prepared for the self-tape so they can actually not only get the call back, but also book the work. We actually work with 4 terms 1 through to 4, but the actual courses are tiered. So we start off with 4 weeks, we graduate to 6, then 8, then 10, then 12. Obviously, the 4-week is an introduction to self-tape. Week 12, as in 12-week course, is far more complex creatively, as it involves both scene study and the idiosyncrasies and the tools involved in producing a clean self-tape. And when I say clean self-tape, it's the kind of self-tape that actually encourages the recipient to want to know more about the talent, which is not an easy skill to master. If this sounds interesting, feel free to contact me directly on 0412 786 549 or info@mymobilementor.com.au. We would love an opportunity to receive your inquiry and learn more about what you're hoping to achieve for the talent that you know are that close to getting across the line. Thank you so much for watching this self-tape. Have a great day. Talk soon. Looking forward to speaking with you.